Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba bimar banyang ubade convener ke Meghalaya Citizen Conscious Forum Shillong. Ulaong baki Khasi ke besar Bangladesh Kim Shngaiñ, Namar ki dikiret pat, Namar wat, ya umat Tirat Singh, kidang pen kalam haba penyeng hanong ba Dhaka. Ya gini ki kentian ula pen pau haba keren haba yat kejat ki bekentup ki Khasi bat ki bamdai Khasi, ki besar Shillong, ban persya ke jing syak thombor ki ret pat ha Bangladesh. Hakani ke si ke jing yat pat ba ne ke rali ke sedang nadu mau ba ter-ter syari lebong, Anjali Pam Barim, Bat Paino Tang Haraino. Bantip kampanya ura jupol ubade ukan vina ulaong, bagani ke cingyat pat ba ke bajai-jai ke dikasian ke baningkong, bat ula kentu ya Muhammad Yunus, ubade chief advisor jong ke sorkar Bashipor ke Bangladesh, ban sangi eno ke jing thombor ke ret pat ha Bangladesh.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama
Nation Foundation President Citizen Hima.
Lapertai ka kring kinyo mat kampeno jing mot to kenteng shalindat kilo idai ki kon nyo trap hangtai hapri hangtai hasilhat kidan ki melong khasi jongi kidan ki tribal jongi kidan kita ki penar ki jongi kidan kita ki badanget ya katenrai ya daya ki namar hapo Bangladesh ngisa atak pat ya kateka statue jong utirat singru kinot ban pen pra kimot kane kari rally kadai nam taka bu kejengmat selendat kilo setiap ba kane ka rally kadai nam taka boleh sibon si hajar ngo kumangila sedang menen apa mau ba taxi stand ya pelun hado rhino na rhino ngilai pai siapa jalupara
Baru kita benda hang ne pi selang.
Jat benreu baro kakan thop lang globally baro kawai ka perthai
Tang pinang jang season na pila pengkot atau kumne hi darali.
baik ladang imdan solution kadang ka da kawai pat kala kawai ka rukam le ban protes
Kai kan tulisan jok pi komenta bakin dawa ya no bat perikam ya no.
ni kuat banyada ya ka tenrai hang tia bo Bangladesh number hapo Bangladesh pilatep mano badon menta nam kuat ban sim kerteng rai ka perthai hi gai I baro hang te ngidan ka mandar ka jantia mandar mano banyada ya ka
Kam sange di thombo di kiret pat sa Bangladesh. Na kai kajing beli jok pi menta kiret pat na po India.
Ibu Ahmad Udisi, Ibu Ahmad Kasnong Katau, Ibu Ahmad Kajat Benreu ki kon nyotram kai pinyale. Ni tengilale kan ka peace rally. Nakaliang jong pi kai ka resolution. Dam dan resolution ni dei kita ki Jat Benreu. Ngile ka badai ke bangin haban le.
Today morning we have gathered to mark against the violence, brutal violence which is taking place in Bangladesh. You can see the regime change has happened in Bangladesh. So there has been a relentless violence taking place against the minorities communities, especially our tribal brothers, our Christian brothers, our Buddhists, everyone facing violent, brutal violence. And every day we see lots of videos coming, people facing violence. The new regime has failed to control the violence and the extremists. People are facing atrocities, persecution everyday basis. So this is a rally, peaceful rally to mark as a protest against that violence, brutal violence, and also to urge the government of the day, that is Dr. of Bangladesh, of Dr. Yunus, please stop this violence against minorities. So this is a peaceful protest. We thank the DC, the district administration for giving us the permission. We thank the traffic for giving us the space, and also we thank all the people who have come and joined. We are Common Citizens Forum. This is Meghalaya Common Citizens Forum. Basic idea of this is that here all the people are from common walks of life. We are not associated with anything, but we are common people. But common people, we cannot tolerate. Enough is enough of the violence, and that is why we have come as a mark of protest against the brutal violence in Bangladesh. We have started from Barapathar point, that is Mauba. That is the Mauba. From Mauba we have come to Rilbong point, from Anjali, then to Anjali point and to Rhino point, and then we are going back to Mauba taxi stand, and we will culminate our program there, the protest there. See, all over the world, it is not only Shillong, but all over the world, different organization in different names. From the Western world to the India, in different cities, you can see there is a protest. Common people coming out as a mark of protest. This is in continuation of that.
Give me your name.
My name is Raju Pal. I am the convener of this Meghalaya Citizen Common Forum.
This is the first time.
This is the first time we are organizing as a protest rally. Otherwise, we are always there as a social work, other work. But we don't come. But as a protest, we are coming for the first time.